Hello, buddy. Kakanaskis. This is Kakanaskis River. Hello, buddy. Kakanaskis. Come here. Come here, buddy. Beautiful. Mama, alika, tignan mo. Ang ganda ng view.
Okay, so nandito tayo sa Kakanaskis River, Christoph. Ay, laki na face. Ay, laki na. Parang ang sarap magkayak na dito, no?
Rules and regulations.
Yeah.
Have you camped with us before?
No, it's our first time.
Okay, so lots of wildlife. There was a mama bear with 2 cubs in that side of the campground earlier this week. And we usually have a little resident fox and lots of smaller critters as well, right? So very important to keep your site super clean, okay? So anything at all from your kitchen, even if it's clean, even if it's not open yet or brand new, stove included, any kind of grills, coolers, need to be put back into the vehicle or in the bear lockers where you're not physically outside. You guys are going to be in a tent, so nothing in the tent either of the sort, right? So no food at all inside, no beverages except water, just your sleeping items, no toiletries, and then some electronics in the tent, okay? Citronella candles, bug sprays, sunscreen, that also is attractant. So don't leave that unattended outside. Goes back in the car when you're not outside. Even if it's just for a few minutes, even if you're on your friend's side, okay? Just make sure they can't get to it because they're really fast and they're just curious, right? They're looking for opportunities. All right, so that's the golden rule. Then behind the brochure, you'll find our other rules. So after 11 is quiet time, no more alcohol, no more cannabis. As a matter of fact, starting tonight, so let's see how long. Oh, you're here till Monday, so for the long weekend. You love that. Great job. So starting tonight up until Monday at 11 is a complete alcohol and cannabis ban. So that means no consumption, no possession until then, okay? And then also quiet time every night from 11 p.m. 7 a.m. so noise down. No wood burning at all. Do you know?
Yeah, we know.
Okay, perfect. So no wood burning. You can have a propane one, but no wood. No wood, no briquettes. And there's a list on the sign over there. What else? What else? What else? You don't need to worry about the generator. Do you have any questions?
No.
No, I don't have it.
Okay, perfect. So here is the map of the campground. Okay. So 132 will be your site. You can put that on your dash. When you exit on Monday, checkouts at 11. There's a couple of mailboxes for you to drop it in. Okay.
All right. Perfect.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we're here. Naparating na tayo sa ating site. Ay, ang ganda ng ginamit na. pwesto. Ayan, so ito yung aming site. 132 and 134. So, ha?
Dapat nagdala ka ng
Wala pa sila, nauna kami.
kaya niya inano, ito yung ano ng ano.
Ano yan?
Na?
Ha? Eh di mali mo meron sila. Oh,
Dito
nice.
niya yan. Ano yan?
Ano yun? Ah, yung trailer craft. Ay, yung RV nila. Ano yan? Poso? Poso na ito.
Ano, lalagyan niya.
Okay, wait muna tayo. Wait. Here.
Ganda-ganda ng view.
Iyan o. Keep a clean campsite.
Ma.
Nasaan? Eh, ba't di siya gumagalaw? Ah, yun na. Malis na. Oh. Cute. Hello. Statue. Nawala na siya.
Camper Hindi,
Camper, yes.
Alam na alam, ilang views eh.
Pero ang ganda.
Madali lang po kasi siya.
Stop!
Kayo pag
Ha?
Oh,
diretso. Ayun.
Pwede.
Dalawang linggo talaga si ate.
basta sabihin mo na sa akin i-advance para makabook tayo.
Yun.
Isang
Parang naano nga po ako sa inyo kasi nagtatanong yung mga katrabaho na.
Oo, impress na impress sila eh.
Impress na impress po sila talaga eh. Pati yun sa kanya.
Oh, pati yung best friend ko, shock siya. Ha, parang hirap mag-book doon na paano ko nakabook.
Mahirap talaga.
Magic. Magic.
Tanong mo dyan sa mga yan kung paano mag-book.
Let's eat. Let's eat, let's eat.
Actually, hindi ako makapasok. Yung aking BFF ang nag-book sa akin.
Ay! Ang dami niyo palang warriors. Keyboard war. Tsaka
Ibang date yung nilagay ko, iba pala yung binabook.
Ay, hindi talaga siya makakabook.
Ang galing.
Ang dami po
Wow.
talagang ano, nagtatanong
Oo.
sa paano mo nakapag-book? Wala sila sa
Sa
amin
bang.
eh. Sa Pampa, ano.
Eh kasi kami, kanya, kuha kami lahat. Bago tatanungan, sino wala?
True.
Sino wala?
Bago mag-camping season, tinitignan na namin yung mga
Ang
dates.
galing,
Ang galing.
po.
Alam niyo na talaga eh, no?
Pagpatak ng ano,
Inggit na
30
inggit.
minutes before nakalog-in na
Inggit
kami.
na inggit sila
Grabe.
talaga sa amin eh.
Oo. Marami kami nagsasign in kasi nung mga siya
Oh,
mag-book.
basta alam niyo na kung ilang number of people, ganyan.
Ba't lagi tayo mga nakakapasok?
The next day.
Ayun, maluwag pa, maganda pala, no?
Oh, buti maano pa yung parking. Ay,
Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination.
Ang ganda naman yung reservation mo, hindi punong-puno.
kasi maaga pa.
Ayos ma.
At saka nag-ano din kasi, di ba? Campfire, wildfire. So, konti daw lang.
Maganda.
Yung nga iniisip ko kasi nakita ko mahirap daw mag-park. Kaya ang sinasuggest nila mag-shuttle na lang papunta. Kasi yung shuttle, walang biyahe ng ganitong oras. Patay, kailangan
You have
umalis ng
arrived.
maaga. Good morning, good morning. Dito tayo sa Gondola Bank, Gondola. At tayo ay mag-uwit ng ating turn. So magkakape muna tayo. Kamusta kuya? At your drink mo pa? Ayan, so pagpasok mo dito, oh, ang daming tao. Ha? Saan si Papa? Naupo doon? Ayan, Starbucks. Wait lang natin yung kapit ko. So, ngayon ang sumasakay ay nasa 8:50 AM na ride. Dami rin tao. Steady Crystal. Awesome. I'm a kid too.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, thank you.
There you go, buddy.
Picture taking. Can you in for a quick photo? Excited? Our turn.
Okay, just our next group, folks. The numbers, please.
Ikaw pa sa one. Let's go.
Have a great day.
Okay. I believe I can fly. Ang ganda.
Ganda, promise, Cristo.
Sulit, sulit.
Oh.
tagal. 8 to 10 minutes din yung biyahe. Paakyat. Pinagpawisan mga palad namin sa kaba. Nakakatakot. Ayan, dito na tayo sa taas ng Sulphur Mountain.
There we go. Come here, Christoph. More. Oh my God. Oh, ang ganda. Oh. Look at that. Dito muna tayo. Palibutin lang natin, ma.
Ang taas namin. Ang init pero worth it. Umakyat. Worth it, kuya.
Papawisan natin.
Sunog. Ni Christoph naluto yung mukha. Patingin ang face mo. Ay, nalitsyon. Ay. Ay. Hingal. Pwede mong puntahan dito sa taas ng mountain. Theater. Let's see. So ito yung mga package. Look, ang haba ng pila na. Grabe, paikot na yan sa labas. Yan, tapos na kami at kami babalik na sa campsite. Ayun, no, dito kami galing, dun kami galing sa taas kanina. Diyos ko, layo. At taas talaga, no? Ano, Christoph, tired na? Huwag masira yung water bottle ko. Oh. Okay, we're done na dito sa gondola. Punta naman tayo sa Lake Louise. Hahabol tayo sa kanila. Andun na sila Ate Tess. Tayo isusunod. Okay. Ha! Pagod.
Kaya lang napisa. Tiyagaan niya na. Pero banana pa rin.